lag behind a little bit and then make my move. That's what I do. So I win this thing. Oh! Fuck. What the fuck is wrong in here?
It's a tree.
Yeah, I got screwed there. One lap. That was my fault. That was pretty effective. You might hit that jump right. I don't know what it is. Not my head.
He jumped the whole.
That's why we need to put dirt over it.
He jumped the whole.
That's what I was wrecking.
Dude, he literally jumped from the beginning of it, and then.
This is what, lap 2? Yeah. You're pretty slow, really. It's a large guy. I need a large guy. I don't mind having a Tootsie Roll. Not really impressed. I mean, you really should be. I'm not doing nothing special, you know? Third lap, right? Yeah. Come on, Mike.
Body's coming off.
Body's fucked up. The body's coming off. Bob's
Kick him, Bob.
Bob's kicking me.
It's in the leaves. Come on, Mike.
Ah. Oh, no. And no one went. Oh,
What a finish.